Alright, now I got my dash cam all wired up, so we're good to go. First actual drive since I picked up this car. So see if it has this intermittent stalling, dying issues or not. I think it might be an ECU, or we might just need to look into doing a throttle body clean, run some seafoam through it, just give it some TLC. So I'm glad I could save this car from going to the scrapyard. Drive lights burned out, I believe. Yep. This needs a CV axle for the driver. When you turn left, you can hear clicking, click, 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 click. I never cared for the third gens, but I do have to admit they always did drive good. They were way over engineered compared to the fourth gen, and they delivered. They knew the assignment. Doesn't seem too loose for steering. Brakes seem good. Okay, so when I came to a stop, it was definitely struggling there. And of course, I stopped my meta glasses because I wanted to restart my 3-minute recording. There it goes. Did it. Put it into power mode. How I've forgotten what it's like to be with a little 5SFE only cranking out about 100 horses. You can come over there, Semi. Or no. Yeah, it's definitely surging and struggling a little bit. Driving this as much as I So I made it to work, stalled once or twice, and old, and having 250,000 miles, but having it on defrost, even on low, my glasses got hot and had to quit recording. Come on, Miller.